Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Yellowstone volcano in western United States was rocked by more than 100 earthquakes in March. These tremors have increased the tension of the experts. There is widespread fears and geologists claim that the US supervolcano is overdue a cataclysmic eruption. These 105 earthquakes that rocked the Yellowstone region last month included three major eruptions of the world-famous Steamboat Geyser. Although the activity is within the norms of Yellowstone's monthly output, many people live in fear that US supervolcano is overdue for another major eruption. Yellowstone last erupted more than 6 lakh years ago, and some researchers believe that the volcano's power is dwindling. Yellowstone's three biggest volcanic blasts went off about 2.1 million, 1.3 million and 6,40,000 years ago, leading some people to think the volcano erupts like clockwise. It seems that the Yellowstone volcano is ticking time bomb waiting to take the world by surprise. The past three eruptions are estimated to have blanketed much of the western half of the Northern America in ash and volcanic debris. According to the US Geological Survey, the eruptions deposited material a third of a meter deep several hundred kilometers from the volcano and centimeters thick even farther out. This US supervolcano experiences anywhere up to 3,000 earthquakes each year, many of which hit in the form of earthquake swarms. The largest event of the swarm occurred on March 9 and was located 9 miles north-northwest of Old Faithful. These earthquake swarms typically account for about 50% of all seismic activity in Yellowstone. March 2021 has been a fairly busy month for 105 tremors, of which 12 hit in a swarm between March 9 and 16. The US Geological Survey reported that the biggest shock came on March 3 and its intensity on the Richter scale was 2.4. Light shocks ranged from minus 0.1 to 1.8 on Richter scale. Not only this, on March 3, March 18 and 27th March this year, large-scale water came out of the Steamboat Geyser. Within this time period, Steamboat Geyser erupted 3 times, bringing this year's number of eruptions up to 7. Steamboat Geyser is a fan favorite staple of US National Park and is world's tallest active geyser. The Steamboat Geyser is the hallmark of America's national park. Some scientists also say that Yellowstone has been under pressure for millions of the years under volcanoes. They said that if the heat under the volcano continued to rise, the volcano would begin to boil and rocks inside the ground would begin to melt. A Yellowstone eruption remains one of the most terrifying natural prospects around, with the eruption likely to affect the entire world. If it were to blow, to consequences would be catastrophic. A volcano itself is located in Wyoming, USA, and if it were to blow, the surrounding states of Montana and Idaho would be covered by volcanic magma and ash. The chances of survival across hundreds of miles from the epicenter would be slim for anyone, but that is only the start of the issue. As per the survey, Yellowstone is packed full of molten rocks, and eruption would eject all of this, leaving the area below hollow. However, with so much ejection of ash and debris, the consequences would be felt across the world. Debris and ash would make its way into the atmosphere, slowly circling entire the globe. This would block out the sun's light, causing temperature to tumble, what is known as volcanic winter. NASA scientists predict that if Yellowstone explodes, it will cause a catastrophe on Earth. 90,000 people will die in one stroke. At the same time, there will be so much ash in the sky that it will even higher than Mount Everest. However, as per the scientist, if the volcano does erupt, chances are it will not be a big volcano eruption but rather a hydrothermal one. In the meantime, NASA scientists have started preparing to avoid this. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.